Simple beef pulao recipe. Welcome, friends. Let's have a look on the ingredients. The first thing is tomatoes slices, then ginger in grated form, then green pepper as you are watching in the video, and then onion slices. Other spices, friends: cardamom, star spice, black cardamom, coriander powder, curcumin seeds, black pepper seeds, and cloves. So friends, 1 kg beef. Okay, let's start cooking. But before that, please subscribe to the channel and press bell icon, choose all option. Okay friends, add 1 or 2 teaspoon salt into your 1 kg beef, and then add water 1 cup, 2 cup, 3 cup, 4 guys, 4 cup of water. Then on your stove, and as you're watching in the video, close your pressure cooker. Put on the whistle of the pressure cooker. Okay guys, your beef has been boiled. Now separate your beef from beef curry or beef soup. Okay, without beef soup, your beef is ready. Here you are watching boiled beef. Okay guys, then let's cook all the things. Put onion slices into your cooking pot, and then pour half cup oil into that. Guys, cook these onion slices up to its color changes into golden brown or dark brown. Okay guys, then put grated ginger into it and wait a little so that ginger may also be cooked and mixed along with your dark brown onion slices. Then guys, put your boiled beef into it and give it time so that your beef roasted, cooked, and your spices mixed with your beef properly. Now put tomato slices into it and then green pepper as well. Mix it. Guys, then all spices, as already I told you, all spices put into it and mix a little so that all spices mix with each other with beef. Then you can add salt or any other thing according to your taste, guys, because taste is different. Every person have different taste. Someone want chili taste, someone want very light taste. So according to your taste, you can change your spices. Okay guys, now put water mixed with your beef soup. You have to put 6 to 7 cup of water mixed with beef soup into it. Okay guys, as you're watching, give a little time it to boil water along with beef. Then the turn is for rice. Okay guys, wait a little friends until your water boiled. You can cover it with a lid so that it get ready. As you are watching friends, the water is boiling now. Now the time to put rice. Add rice into it friends. Make sure to soak rice in water 30 to 40 minutes before use. Rice, okay, must be soaked in water 30 to 40 minutes before to use. Put all rice into it and then you have to wait some time so that water along with the rice, beef and all spices mixed, and you have to wait the water get dried. Okay friends, water is dried now, and this is the time that you have to cover it on a very light flame. You can also put iron sheet under it as you're watching in the video, so that your rice may not be stick with your cooking pot. Okay friends, give it time for final cooking friends. Okay, as you are watching that your rice beef pulao is ready. Oh nice fragrance. Put into a plate. that's end. I hope you like my video. Please share with your friends on Facebook and other social media network so that they can get knowledge. Okay guys, beef pulao is ready. Okay, see you in next video. Bye bye.